Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sulaiman Spasi Kisolu. My main nautical department level 1. I'm from Army IP Makassar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sarul. My major nautical department. I'm from AMIP Makassar. What time you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 5 o'clock.
What do you do after wake up?
I go into the bedroom and take a bath.
What do you do after getting dressed?
After getting dressed, I go into the house.
What time do you usually leave boarding house every morning?
I usually leave boarding house at 6 o'clock. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up and 4 o'clock.
What do you do after getting up?
I go into the bathroom and take a bath.
What do you do after getting dressed?
After getting dressed, I always go to campus.
What time do you usually leave home every morning?
I usually leave boarding house at 5:30 o'clock.